everybody. This is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making simple and delicious hot milk cake. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, boil milk and butter together until small bubbles forms, then set aside. Now we are going to crack 4 eggs in a small bowl, then add them onto a mixing bowl. Note guys, when baking, always break your eggs one at a time in a separate small bowl before putting them in your mixing bowl. No one wants eggshells in their cake batter. Right guys? Next, beat eggs and sugar in a medium mixing bowl until light and fluffy for 5 minutes. Beat until the mixture is pale yellow and thickened. Add vanilla extract and mix well. Our mixture is thickened and foamy consistency. Now we're gonna sift in flour, baking powder, and salt. Beat well until well combined. Now add milk mixture and mix well until everything is well incorporated. The batter looks good. We've been mixing for 2 minutes. Grease a band pan with a non-stick baking spray, or you can use a 12-cup tube pan. Next, we are going to pour the batter into the band pan. Tap and release air bubbles. Then bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes until golden brown. The cake is out of the oven, guys. We're gonna do the toothpick test. If the toothpick comes out clean, then our cake is done. My house smells so good, guys. This is one of the best vintage cake recipe. Dust with powdered sugar, or you can finish it off with icing. There you have it, guys. Simple hot milk cake. If you love plain cakes like me, this is for you. You can have it for breakfast or as an afternoon snack. If you are enjoying this video, guys, give it a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so we stay connected. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my heart.